How to manage receive notifications from keyword on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage receive notifications from keyword on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now click these 3 points here and then click this one chat, click on it and now click here, and now you can add any keyword you want, and then just it's test, and then just click this one save. And as you see now we have one keyword here, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.